Good morning. Welcome back. Happy Friday. As always a pleasure. Before we get started today with the new acquisition, if you like today's content, make sure you hit the like button. It's right down below. And subscribe Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so. Hope you enjoy this video. So, I wanted to talk about a couple of the great collections buys for this week. This one in particular is a 1919 Buffalo nickel, slabbed in PCGS plastic, of course, at Mint State 62 as a Secure Plus. Okay, that's what that shield indicates there. But this is an absolutely phenomenal looking coin, and I will be absolutely honest and say that this coin is probably a point undergraded. It looks like every bit of a 63, maybe even a 63 plus. And the coin exhibits absolutely beaming, radiating luster. It's a remarkable coin in every sense of the word. And lots of detail on this. Anytime that I could pick up really nice early date Buffalo nickels at a reasonable price, I'd say that's right in my wheelhouse. But as you can tell right here, you got some of the there's die clashing on here, and I got in under close magnification, and it's actually got triple die clashing. It's kind of hard to see without the magnifier, but absolutely phenomenal looking coin. Happy that I picked this one up for a good price. And yeah, there's clashing right underneath his chin, back here, and there's a few little clashes here. It would be actually the clash of the reverse of the coin, so you would have elements of like the buffalo hind rump and everything on there. But what do you guys think? Not bad, huh? Not bad for a tight piece. Yeah, it's a marvelous looking coin, and you know, I'm happy to share this one with you this morning. Nice, quick, easy video. I have a second coin I'm going to show you that I'll do in a corresponding video, so we can just kind of keep them kind of separate there. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, yeah, if you like it, go ahead and give me a like down below. Help a brother out with his metrics. And as always, I appreciate your guys' time. You know, thank you again for all the support you've given me over the years. And as always, enjoy this wonderful hobby that we call coins and currency. There's nothing else like it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys enjoy your Friday morning.